Hello everyone. Welcome to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we are going to create a logo like this in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop Mockup. Create a new artboard in Illustrator, then select the line tool. Make sure the fill color is none and the stroke is black. Now by holding the Shift key, draw a vertical line. Copy and paste it multiple times by pressing Ctrl+D. Select all and create group. Create a duplicate of the group. Now, by holding the Shift key, rotate it. Then, draw a circle like this. Now, place it on the lines, and resize it. Then select the circle, go to the object, then select Path, and then select Offset Path. Select the value -25. Now, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Make the fill color black, and stroke none. Make sure you select all the boxes and corners. Check it by zooming in and out. Otherwise, it will look bad. When you are satisfied, select the new shapes and separate it from others. Now go to Photoshop and open our mockup file. Drag and drop our logo in the Photoshop file, then save it. And that's how you can create a professional logo design using Adobe Illustrator. Remember, the key to a great logo is simplicity, versatility, and timelessness. Keep practicing your vector illustration skills. Experiment with different shapes, colors, and topography. and you'll be designing amazing logos in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Illustrator and graphic design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!